Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the difference between WordPress and Elementor. Okay, like I said earlier, if you really have more knowledge about the WordPress content management system and all that, you won't ask this question. But I understand. You're just trying to navigate the system. You're just trying to learn. You're just trying to understand what is this and what is that. With time, you're going to be a pro. You will know the difference. So now, basically, WordPress, as we all know, is a content management system that helps you to build blogs, website, e-commerce site, and so on and so forth. While Elementor, on the other hand, is a page builder, a plugin that adds the page builder functionality on your WordPress website. Drag and drop. So after installing your WordPress website, you can now install the Elementor plugin. And once you install it, you will have, when you try to edit your page or anything of such, you will see the Elementor giving you options to drag and drop, to do a lot of things very easy. It's a page builder basically, and it's a plugin on WordPress. Okay. So let's go ahead and check these guys and say difference between WordPress and Elementor. So WordPress is a content management system that allows users to create and manage website, while Elementor is a drag and drop page builder plugin that can be used with WordPress to design and customize web page. Elementor, on the other hand, is a plugin that can be used with WordPress to create custom web pages. Okay, so if you go to the Elementor website, you're going to see the different things you can do with Elementor and the different prices and so on and so forth, because it has a free version and also a paid version. Okay, so this is Elementor. This is how it works. You drag and you drop, you drag, you drag and you drop. They also have some templates that you can just add up to your page, customize it, and you have your page going. So let's go to the pricing page. Page builder plugin, WordPress plugin for drag and drop visual editing web page. Okay. So as you can see here, they have the essential plan, which is the cheapest. Everything a website needs, $49 per month. One site, premium support, 50 pro widget, team builder, dynamic content, form builder, pop-up builder, custom code, and CSS, e-commerce features, collaborative notes. Then the advanced for professional in e-commerce website, $89 per month, up to 3 sites. Okay. Oh, per year rather, not per month. This is nice. We have up to 3 site premium support, 82 pro widget, team builder, dynamic content, form builder, pop-up builder, custom code, and CSS. So basically, if you're paying for this, you have the plugin and the support and the connectivity to your blog. So you install it on your WordPress blog, then you have access to all these things they are showing here to build your website. Oftentimes, Elementor is purchased by developers who develop teams and want develop WordPress teams and want the functionality that Elementor has on their team, or probably it was built based on that, so that when they are distributing the WordPress team to other people, they have the appropriate license to distribute it. So up to 1,000 sites, some people buy this license and use it agency for building their WordPress teams that include or comes with the Elementor plugin. So guys, that will be all for now on the difference between WordPress and Elementor. I expect to see you in our next video now that you have clarity. Bye for now.